Hi, everybody. I hope your spring semester is off to an excellent start. My name is Julie Fosdick. I'm a professor in the Department of Earth Sciences, and I'm also the undergraduate research coordinator in our department. And so I wanted to provide a quick video on the opportunities and resources that you have for undergraduate research. You might be wondering, why should you be involved in research as an undergraduate? Well, there are lots of excellent reasons. One is to develop advanced skills in the geosciences. You might also use this opportunity to gain qualifications towards a specific job goal. You might want to contribute to new science and knowledge building and just enhance your learning as a scientific individual on planet Earth. Research gives you the opportunity to increase your earning potential and make the most of your undergraduate degree. You can also gain expertise and experience in a particular subfield of interest. You can travel and maybe explore new areas in some opportunities. You might meet new people and be exposed to a broader and more diverse community in research. And you might make the world a better place in your contributions. And most importantly, it's a great opportunity to have fun and learn more science. Earth science research at UConn, we have a whole host of different kinds of opportunities, and I want to encourage you to reach out if you're ever interested in exploring some of these opportunities. So a couple of things. How do you get involved in research activities? We have a research website and a quick questionnaire that you can complete, and that allows us to try to match you with your potential projects and supervisors for ideas that you might be interested in exploring. We have an active list of current projects that you can browse. This is a Google Sheet that you can find on our website that gives you a list of current projects, supervisors, and the kinds of background, if any, that might be needed to be involved in those projects. I also encourage you to browse the research themes on our website. This gives you a sense of what kinds of research faculty and graduate students and other undergrads are currently doing within our department. And then finally, reach out to your earth science instructors and teaching assistants. We love to hear from you. We expect to hear from you, and we want to be able to help you navigate this opportunity to explore research. So if you've taken a course and it has a particular idea or topic in mind that really spoke to you, reach out to that professor or teaching assistant and see what opportunities could be made available. All right, a few more details. This is our page for the Department of Earth Sciences that highlights research opportunities for undergraduates. I'd like to highlight that this is a chance for you to fill out a questionnaire if you're interested in learning more about research, and you can find this research page here with the link of earthsciences.com.edu/undergrad_research. If you explore this website, you'll find that we have a lot of resources for you to explore as an undergraduate, and you can watch this video here on our Welcome to the Earth Sciences Department. Now, you're probably already within the Earth Sciences Department, and if that's the case, then I want to highlight this link we have on our website, which is the current list of research opportunities led by faculty and teaching assistants and graduate students in our department. We try to keep this pretty up to date, but it's a great opportunity for you to browse and see what kinds of projects are of interest, what's the time frame of availability, and whether or not this could be a research credit for coursework or a paid opportunity. So explore this as a resource for you. You can also explore the research themes on our website. We have a broad range of research within the department spanning climate and the environment, understanding the Earth's geodynamics, links between paleobiology and environment, and evolutionary processes, tectonics and surface processes, and many, many other kinds of research in between. All right, so you might be wondering, how can I get involved in research? Well, research experience is highly variable, and it depends really on the scope of work and the potential research group or supervisor that you might be working with it. So each experience is going to be unique to that particular opportunity. I encourage you to discuss your interests and availability with that potential supervisor to outline what scope of work is relevant to their projects and also what you're able to do and participate within the time frame that's given. Research at UConn as an undergraduate can be completed as either course credit. This could be simply a one-credit independent study opportunity, or it could lead ultimately to a senior thesis, or it could be done as paid work, or you could also just carry it out informally if you'd like to be involved in a variety of research opportunities. Finally, what can culminate in this with sufficient planning, especially if you've had some research experience prior, is the development of an undergraduate research senior thesis that culminates in a writing class in your final semester. Okay, a little bit about earning course credits as an undergraduate with research. One course option is ERTH 4999. This is independent study. This is the most flexible opportunity that allows you to take anywhere from 1 to 6 credits. It can be repeated, and you can take it with different faculty depending on interest and availability. Another course that you could consider is ERTH 4989. This is undergraduate research in geoscience. This is a 3-credit course. It requires independent research interested in various special problems involving field or laboratory or computer observations, and that you would be required to give an oral formal presentation at the end of your semester. And the only prerequisite here is that it's open to juniors or higher. Finally, we have ERTH 4996W. This also satisfies a writing requirement. It is the undergraduate research thesis in geoscience. This is a 3-credit course. It's writing of a formal thesis based on independent research that you have conducted throughout your time at UConn. There are a few more prerequisites for this, namely that it's open to juniors or higher with some English coursework background, and also ERTH 4989 must be completed prior to carrying this out. So there's a lot of opportunities for you to formalize your research experience. But at the very beginning, I would just encourage you to reach out to us and ask about the kinds of opportunities in the lab or the field or on the computer that might give you added exposure to what we do as earth scientists. All right, a few highlights that I want to emphasize as we start our semester. One is the UConn SURF program. This is the Summer Undergraduate Research Fund. It is a university-wide program that supports full-time undergraduate students during the summer on research or other creative projects. These are available to all majors and at all campuses, so it's a competitive process, but these can be really valuable research awards that help you carry out your work on campus. These can be on the order of $4,500 that goes towards research supplies and other expenses that might allow you to stay on campus and support your work. Now note, the deadline for this year's summer SURF program is January 30th, coming up, 2023. So if you're interested more, you can Google Summer Undergraduate Research Fund SURF, or click on the link in the attached PDF that I have with this video. All right, one thing that you can do is through the end of the month, the Office of Undergraduate Research has advising for students on this opportunity. So again, you can click there if you'd like an advising appointment to see how any of your existing research that you have at UConn within our department might fit within this program. So take advantage of this. It's an excellent opportunity. The second component I'd like to highlight are 2 upcoming research symposia that will happen later this spring. The first is within our department. It is the Research Symposium and Awards Banquet. It's in the Department of Earth Sciences. We have May 2nd, 2023 slated for this. And this is basically our end of the year department-wide event that features undergraduate and graduate research. There's a keynote speaker that's invited from the broader earth science community, and departmental awards. Incredibly fun event. It's a great opportunity. I want to highlight that we'll get more information on this as the semester progresses, but if you are involved in research, it's a chance for you to present some of your results. The other symposium that I will highlight is the Frontiers in Undergraduate Research. This is a university-wide event. It has been slated to be held April 14th and 15th on the Storrs campus. And this is essentially a poster exhibition that provides you with the opportunity to showcase your research among the whole university community. You can find more information at this link below. The submission window is from February 20th with a deadline of March 13th as your final submission if you would like to participate in the Frontiers Symposium. All right, so this is just a summary of what I've presented so far. Again, check out our website, fill out the questionnaire on research, explore our active projects on the Google Sheet, and let us know if you have any questions. You can reach me. Again, I'm Julie Fosdick, julie.fosdick@uconn.edu, and we're happy to help link you with some exciting opportunities in our department. All right, have a great semester.